If you're experiencing issues with your signature not working on HelloSign, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues with loading your signature. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can help eliminate any stored data that might be causing conflicts with the HelloSign platform. Step 3. Update your browser. Make sure your web browser is up to date. An outdated browser may not support all features of HelloSign, including signature functionality. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Temporarily disable any browser extensions or add-ons that might interfere with HelloSign. Some extensions can block scripts or features necessary for the signature to work. Step 5. Try a different browser or device. If the issue persists, try accessing HelloSign from a different web browser or device. This can help determine if the problem is specific to your current setup. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the signature issue on HelloSign. If problems continue, consider reaching out to HelloSign support for further assistance.